Hello student, today we are going to learn how to derive for mirror formula. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, so we are going to learn how to derive the mirror formula. Okay, first we'll learn the diagram. Yeah, the thing is from concave lens only I'm going to do. Okay, so this is going to be a concave mirror. Okay, this is going to be a concave mirror. Okay, and this is going to be a pole center and principal focus, center of curvature. Okay, I am taken object at this point. Okay, object at here. Okay, object I placed here. What the parallel rays will do, it is a rules, it will go through the focus. What focus ray will do, it will become as a parallel. Okay, the ray which is incident at pole center reflect with the same angle. Okay, image is formed here. Okay, AB is the object, A dash B dash is the image. Okay, now this is going to be M. I am taken MP is approximately equal to AB. Okay, see, MP is approximately equal to AB. This is little curved, a millimeter only difference will be there, but this two will be equal. Okay, now object distance. Okay, object distance is U. Okay, left side to the pole center negative. Image distance is V. Left side to the pole center negative. Okay, and principal focus to the pole center, this is going to be a focal length. Okay, this is also left side, you can take it as a focal length will be negative. U negative, V negative, F negative in this diagram. Okay, slowly you can do this derivation, easily you can understand this. Okay, it's a very important equation. Okay, next, now I'm going to take it as a two similar triangle. I'll show in a diagram where it's a similar triangle. ABP, A dash B dash P. Okay, there's two similar triangle I am taken. In triangle ABP and A dash B dash P. Okay, this two is similar triangle. How this two is similar triangle? Because this is right angle and this is angle of incident, angle of reflection, both are equal only. Okay, so this is a similar triangle. Okay, similar triangle means this height by this height, height ratio. Okay, AB by A dash B dash is equal to similar triangle ABP, A dash B dash P. Okay, this height by this height, this length by this length. Okay, AP by A dash P. Okay, AP by A dash P. Okay, this two is a similar triangle. And another similar triangle, in triangle, another similar triangle, what I am taken now, A dash B dash F. Okay, and FMP. Okay, A dash B dash F and FMP. Already we know MP is approximately equal to it is AB. Okay, now we'll do this two similar triangle. So first this triangle by this triangle. Okay, MP by A dash B dash, MP by A dash B dash is equal to FP by FA dash, FP by FA dash. Okay, it's a very simple. We know this two is equal now, so we can changing. MP is called AB by A dash B dash. Okay, A dash B dash. Okay, A dash B dash is equal to FP by FA dash. Okay, now this triangle this ratio will be equal. Equation 1 and equation 2 will be left hand side will be equal, right hand side you can make it as equal. Okay, now what is the right hand side? Right hand side AP A dash P. Okay, I am writing AP by A dash P is equal to, what is this triangle? No, FP by FA dash, FP by FA dash. Okay, so two similar triangle I am taken, then left hand side of two similar triangle will be equal. Actually 4 triangle we introduced, left hand side will be equal, right hand side this and this we are making as a equal right now. Okay, Now, the one rule you have to follow, whatever data you are taken, you have to relate with pole center. Okay, I'm going to relate with the pole center. See what I'm going to do is, what is AP? AP is minus U. Okay, AP is minus U. A dash P, image distance, minus V, minus V. FP, focal length. Okay, FP is focal length. Okay, what FP? FP is called minus F. Okay, now FA dash. FA dash is not related to the pole center. FA dash is not related to the pole center. So you can make it, you can relate the pole center. Okay, how I can relate? Okay, how I can relate? No, see here, FA dash, I don't know what is FA dash. Okay, FA dash is equal to A dash P minus FP. Okay, if you want this minus this, very simple. If you want this minus this. Okay, that I'm writing here. What is AP dash? A dash P? A dash P is going to be a minus V. Minus V. Okay, minus V minus, what is FP? FP is a focal length minus focal length. Okay, minus minus plus, minus V plus F. What is FA dash? We got FA dash as this much. Okay, FA dash is minus V plus F. Okay, so this and this will be get cancelled. Okay, and now I am taken this negative. No, just I am multiplying negative in numerator and negative in denominator. Okay, U by V is equal to F divided by this minus taken inside plus V minus F. Okay, now we'll do the cross multiplication. This I am taken this side, this I am taken this side. U V minus F is equal to Vf. Okay, very simple only. This equation is very simple. Okay, and important also. U I am taken inside UV, again U I am taken inside minus Fu Vf. Okay, this from left side to right side I am taken, plus will come. UV is equal to Vf plus Fu. Okay, just whole divided by UVF. Okay, here UV divided by UVF is equal to VF divided by UVF plus FU divided by UVF. Okay, so here cancel 1 by F. Here cancel 1 by U. Okay, here cancel with the UFF plus 1 by V. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, subscribe. Thank you everyone. Okay, if you want more video, you can go and see in my playlist. Okay, thank you.